Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is the 9th tutorial, and in this tutorial we'll be checking out the big and small tags in HTML. Now these are two tags which people rarely ever use because there are other ways of achieving what you normally achieve with these tags, but then there are also some websites that use these tags extensively. So if you ever bump into any of those websites, then you should know what these tags are. They just like result into a very simple effect. So the big tag lets you have some text with a greater font size than the rest of the text that you have in your paragraph, and it just raises the font size by 1, right? So I've got two paragraphs in the body section of my web page here, and both the paragraphs have H1 headings and some text between those headings. So on line number 7 I have the text "The Big Lebowski," and on line number 8 I have the text "The Small Wonder." And the word "big" in the sentence "The Big Lebowski" has been enclosed between opening big tag and the closing big tag, which is just the word "big" and the word "big" with a forward slash at the beginning. And then on line number 8 I have the text "The Small Wonder" with the word "small" enclosed between small tag and the closing small tag. And the small tag works in the opposite way. So whereas the big tag would raise the level of text by 1, the small tag would decrease the level of text by 1. And the reason why I have these as headings and not just normal paragraph text is because I want these effects to kind of be prominent so that it's easier for us to make out how these tags work. So now I'll show you how this file looks in Google Chrome. And when we take a look at it, we see that "The" and "Lebowski" in the first paragraph have the same font size, whereas the word "big" is slightly bigger, so it's one size greater. And in the second sentence, on the other hand, we have the words "the" and "wonder" with the same font size, and the word "small" is slightly smaller than the other two words. So this is about the big and small tags, and I hope you guys had fun watching this tutorial. I'll see you in the next one, in which we'll discuss more tags, more features, and you may subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you soon. Till then, take care.